Find the term that is independent of x in the expansion of 2x squared minus 5 over x to the 9. So we're after the term independent of x, so that means it must end up just being a number. So we want our x's to cancel. So if I have 2x squared to the a and negative 5 over x to the b, from what we've seen before, we must have that a plus b is equal to 9. Now the power of x that would come from here is 2a. The power of x that would come from here, remember this one is an x to the negative 1, would be minus b. And we don't want any x's at all, so the power on x needs to be 0, because of course that means x to the 0 is 1, so the x's disappear. So we have simultaneous equations. And if we add them, we get 3a is equal to 9, and therefore a is equal to 3. So we want 2x squared to the 3, and the negative 5 over x, we want that to be to the 6, so that the 3 plus 6 equals 9. Now that tells me that my coefficient at the front is going to be 9. This is just the binomial coefficient, obviously we'll get numbers from here and here as well. Now, because it's symmetrical, you can either use 3 or 6 on the bottom here, it really doesn't matter. So, let's have a look at 9c6. So we've got 9, 6, and that's 84. And then the 2 is going to be cubed, so that's times 8. And the negative 5 is going to be to the power 6, so it's going to be positive, and we're going to have 5 to the power 6. And of course we don't need to worry about the x's, we know they're going to cancel. We'll have x to the 6 from there, and we'll have 1 over x to the 6, so those will just cancel. So we have 84 times 8 times 5 to the power 6, and that's this number here, 105, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros.